Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting me. So on the screen you can see a very challenging question from trigonometry. If 6 tan inverse x plus 4 tan inverse 3 times of x equals to pi, compute x square. So here first we can recall the formula, that is tan of a plus b equals to tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan A into tan B. Let us see how we can apply this formula, or why I have written this formula. It is given that 6 tan inverse x plus 4 tan inverse 3 times of x equals to pi. Now dividing throughout, I can get 3 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse 3 times of x equals to pi by 2. Now taking tangent function both the sides, we'll get tan of 3 tan inverse x is 2 tan inverse 3 times of x equals to tan pi by 2. We know tan pi by 2 equal to infinity. So here I'll put the formula tan a plus b. So it will be tan a, that means tan 3 tan inverse x, plus tan b whole over 1 minus tan a into tan b. So tan 3 tan inverse x, so tan 2 tan inverse 3x equals to infinity. Infinity means we know that denominator is 0. So comparing the denominator, you can add 1 minus tan 3 tan inverse x and 2 tan inverse 3x equals to 0. Or 3 tan inverse x and 2 tan inverse 3x equals to 1. Next we'll put some inverse trigonometry formula, that is 3 tan inverse a equals to tan inverse 3a minus a cube over 1 minus 3a square. First I'll put this formula, and 2 tan inverse b equals to tan inverse twice b over 1 minus b square. And here b I'll put here 3 times of x. So it will becomes tan inverse 3x minus x cube over 1 minus 3x square, and second one will be tan inverse 2 into 3x over 1 minus 9x square equals to 1. So ultimately I am getting 3x minus x cube over 1 minus 3x square multiplies 6x over 1 minus 9x square equals to 1. So let us simplify further. So it will be 6 times of x multiplies 3x minus x cube equals to 1 minus 3x square into 1 minus 9x square. So it will be 18x square minus 6x to the power 4 equals to 1 minus 12x square plus 27x to the power 4. Or this gives me 33x to the power 4 minus 30x square plus 1 is 0. So this is a quadratic equation in x square. Since we need x square, so no need of calculating x. Directly I can get x square. So x square is equals to, now applying the quadratic formula, I'll get 30 plus minus b square, 30 square 900 minus 4 into 30. So 900 minus 4 into 33, 133 over here 33, 2 into 33. So we are getting 30 plus minus, it will be square root of 8, 7. Here 66. And on simplification I'll get 15 plus minus 8 square root 3 over here 33. So x square has two values now. One is 15 plus 8 root 3 over 33, and x square equals to 15 minus 8 root 3 by 33. We'll check both the values for left hand side of the equation. The equation was 6 tan inverse x plus your 4 tan inverse 3x equals to pi. If we put x square equals to 15 plus 8 root 3 33, numerically in the left hand side we won't get your 3 pi on the right side. So this does not satisfy the equation, as it gives the value 3 pi instead of pi. But x square equals to 15 minus 8 root 3 by 33 satisfy the equation. So x square equals to 15 minus 8 root 3 by 33 is answer.